Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to adjust the brightness of a video in Davinci Resolve. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Davinci Resolve program right here on your PC if you haven't already, and after doing so guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Davinci Resolve, where we can get started with adding our files. So guys, we can go into the folder right here and start dragging and dropping videos directly into here, or just going to the file option and then clicking the import option and selecting the media we want to use. After selecting, the videos are going to appear right here, and now we can get started with dragging them into our timeline as I have already done right here and get started with editing them. So let's go ahead and see how to adjust the brightness. Basically guys, what we want to do is go ahead and select the video in the timeline that we want to adjust the brightness for. So go ahead and select on it, and after clicking on the video guys, we can now go ahead and find the colors tab right here at the bottom of the page. So click color guys, and now in the colors tab we can get started with adjusting the colors of our video. So here we have all the options that we can use, such as the color match, the color wheels, and so on, and everything that we can use. We have the window option, the tracker, blur, and so on. So you can use all of the options to your effects. So here you can go ahead and manage the colors and so that you have a brighter effect on your video. So you can select everything to be a good combination until you get what you need and the desired effect so your video can look brighter. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.